What's going on, Life Gang? My name is Linus, and this is just gonna be, well, I guess not all, but sorry for the lack of videos. I've been doing like preparation for work because I'm starting at Chipotle soon. There we go, that looks better. But I'm starting work at Chipotle like today or tomorrow. But just like all the setup and stuff has taken like 2 or 3 days, and it's been like 24/7 working on it. So I haven't really been able to film much, but now there are going to be a lot more videos. But these are just like a bunch of clips to start this video. It's just like a bunch of clips of me doing random things all over those days that I could film, which includes some weird stuff like a bird shopping. But I've got like a bunch of videos, or not a bunch, but a few videos in here that are just like random clips of some riding and stuff. But that's basically gonna be the start of this video. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Sorry for the lack of videos. Again, it's been a little while. It's been like 3 or 4 days, something like that. But let's get on with it. Cold. It is freaking cold. Hate you.
With that? Yeah. Make it different.
Bye-bye, bird. Don't mind me, Mr. Bird, just passing by. Or not. Alright. Excuse me. That one's for you, Spencer.
If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And my dog's drinking a ton of water. I'll see you guys in the next video.